Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Corey Bicep and KyLudwig here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2021 Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyperlyte 20 BHHL. If you find this video informative or helpful at all, please like and subscribe to our video, and also comment what the best feature is about this one, okay? Let's check this rig out. Come on over right here to the pass-through storage. You got some space in here. You also got your electrical cord at the other end there as well. This does have manual jacks on 4 different points of the rig. 1, 2, then 3 and 4 in the back. You also got an awning here with the nice LED lights. So you can still be hanging out at the night while these LED lights are on. You also got this beautiful outside kitchen here. It's got this hibachi grill type thing, as well as the refrigerator. So if you wanted to store any other food just out here, you totally can. You even got a couple different things out here. You got the 110 volt out here, and you also have this park cable. So if you wanted to have some TV or watch some TV out here, you can. There's also this spray port. So if you wanted to wash your dog off or just keep him on a leash too, you could actually just hook the hose up right there. This one's a bunkhouse, but it's also a Murphy bed. So with Murphy beds, guys, it's a great utilization of the space. You can have the couch if you wanted to just hang out and put the bed up, or you can put the bed down for the nighttime for you to sleep. As my buddy Anthony Fuller says, you sleeping. Unless you sleeping, you can put that bed up there. You got some storage on the sides there, as well as over here. There's also a nice long nightstand on each side too, so if you wanted to, you could put anything there. And they even put more storage underneath here, which is pretty awesome. Check that out. Super cool. Then right below, you also got your controls here, so if you needed to turn on any lights or heat your tanks, you can put that there as well. You got this large U-shaped dinette here, which does convert into another sleeping space. So you can just break this down, put the cushions on it, and that would be another sleeping space. You also got more storage on both sides. So one there and one over here. Super cool. This rig does have solar as well. So essentially, you know, when you're just hanging out and camping, your batteries will be charging the entire time. So that's really, really awesome. You got some storage right here on the top as well as in the back, or on the bottom. And you even got these 2 bunks here. These are the nice sized bunks. They're not the really, really narrow ones that you see in like an 18-foot, 21-foot trailer. This one is actually a little bit bigger. So nice and immovable ladder, as well as the curtain for some privacy. Come and take a look at this bathroom. Nice size toilet. We got the square-shaped shower, as well as the sink and a medicine cabinet just right up there at the top, which is quite nice and beautiful. You also got your fridge here. Okay, this one is the 8 cubic foot fridge. Gosh, that's a tongue twister. But yeah, so you got 8 cubic feet of storage space for food. You can go a little bit longer with that since it's a bigger size fridge. You also got your kitchen essentials, right? You got your microwave, your 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as an oven, which is pretty nice in this small of a trailer. You also have just more storage underneath there as well, which is quite nice. Cool countertops here, really nice. You also got the removable nozzle as well, and a pretty deep sink here, which is quite convenient. And obviously you got your Sansui TV there, so you can, while you're cooking and hanging out or washing dishes, you can be watching TV just hanging. And you got that radio right up there, as well as the AC. Guys, if you like this rig, feel free to just go ahead and give me a call, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. Comment your favorite feature about this and like and subscribe. Happy camping, guys.